If you have a dock camera that connects via USB, you can plug it into the side of the panel in the USB port, then open My Viewboard for Android, go to the Magic Box, open the Magic Box and then locate the webcam or dock camera icon in the main menu, and then select the camera that is connected via USB. A window will open displaying whatever is displayed on the camera as a live image. You'll note that in the window there's a pen tool, which allows you to annotate or write on top of the screen, as well as a camera button to take screenshots of your image. If you want to change the size of the image, if it's too big or too small, you can use the menu to change the resolution. You can also touch the play button to freeze the image instead of having it as a live image. When you are finished using the document camera, close the X, and then use the X again to close the menu. Note that not all document cameras have the ability to connect depending on the specific document camera technology.